Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about abacus.
What is abacus? Abacus is the first calculating device which is helpful to improve the speed of calculation. The computer and calculator seems to have replaced the human brain in calculation with help of abacus concept. The child can solve the mathematical calculation in few minutes with help of abacus tool. In today's fastest growing world, abacus helps to develop the human brain. We can solve easily addition, subtraction, multiplication and division with help of abacus instrument.
Hello everyone, my name is Aly Arsh. I am from class 4B Bikanav school system. Today we will learn about abacus level 1. Questions. First we will do single digit without abacus questions. And then we will do double digit without abacus questions. Let's start.
2, 2, 1, 4.
9.
3, 4, minus 5, 2.
4.
3, 1, 1, 3.
8.
4, 1, minus 5, 6.
6.
1, 3, 1, 1.
6.
4, 4, 1, minus 8.
1.
3, 2, 4, minus 4.
5.
2, 4, 3, minus 8.
1.
1, 3, 2, minus 5.
1.
4, 1, 4, minus 7.
2. Now we will do double digit without abacus questions.
45, 40, minus 85, 32.
32.
23, 32, minus 55, 44.
44.
21, 4, minus 5, 9.
29.
33, 2, 4, minus 21.
18.
41, 4, minus 25, 22.
42.
54, 24, minus 3, 3.
78.
28, minus 5, 3, 3.
29.
41, 14, 22, 11.
88.
30, 20, 47, 2.
99.
66, minus 55, 44, 22.
77.